So, yung itatakal naman natin ngayon is yung inverse trigonometric function. Sa inverse trigonometric function, ito yung mga gagamitin nating formulas. Para mas maganda, mas madali nating matutunan, gagamit tayo ng mga sample problems. Arc cosine 5x. Yung cosine, ito yung gagamitin natin. Yan. Cosine d over dx of cos to the power of negative 1. Yung u natin is 5x. It would equal to minus 1 over the square root of u 1 minus u squared. Yung u natin is equals to 5x squared. So and times d over dx. So d over dx is basically u prime. So yung u prime natin is 5, so times 5, and simplify na lang natin. So 1 over the square root of 1 minus the square root of 5 squared is equal to 25x squared. So times 5, and meron pwede pa siya simplify. So 1 times 5 equals 5 over the square root of 1 minus 25x squared. So ito na yung sagot natin. Ito na siya kadali. So try tayo ng isa pang problem before tayo mag move on. So another problem is the arctan square root of x. So arctan square root of x, so yung gagamitin natin dito is yung sa tangent, which is this one. So d over dx of tan to the power of negative 1 square root of x is equal to, substitution lang naman yan, so is substitute na natin 1 over 1 plus u prime ay u squared. So the square root of x times the derivative of u. So yung u natin is equals to square root of x, and yung derivative ng u natin is 1 over 2 square root of x. Paano natin ito nakuha nga pala? Paano natin ito nakuha? To derive a radical with radical equal to 2, so yung u and square root of u would equal to u prime over 2 square root of u. So doon natin ito nakuha. So dito naman is 1 over 2 square root of x. Okay, and simplify na lang natin to para makuha natin yung final answer natin. To simplify naman, dahil similar silang 1, so multiply 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So yung denominator naman natin is 2 times 2 square root of x, ikakopy lang natin, then dahil ito is na square root, cancel lang natin yan, times 1 plus x. So ganun na siya kadali. ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, sana may natutunan kayo.